If I were to be charged, yes, the processes in the governing party have to unfold. In the ANC, as you well know, I have offered to go myself on a voluntary basis to the Integrity Commission, and I will be seeing them. The date is yet to be set. And I felt that following the 54th conference, where conference said if there are allegations against any one of us, we should present ourselves to the Integrity Commission and not wait to be called. And I have opted not to be called, but to go there up front. So that is a process I'd like to follow, and I'd like you to accept.
Mopresidente Ramaphosa ga tshikingwe ke sepe o ngangabetse ka gore go tshwanetse ga tsewa magato a malebana le ditatofatso tse di dirilweng ke moeteledipele wa maloba wa botlhodi a sa Fraser malebana le gore a o tshengwa ke tsamaiso ya ka fa gare ya lekoko la ANC. Mopresidente o tshwaetse jana.
I don't think one should necessarily see it that way. One should see it in a way where the ANC, which is the party that deployed me and the work that I do, has a formal structure, which in terms of the conference that has given me my marching orders in terms of the work I do, I have to go and explain myself to, and I don't think one should look at it as either or type of situation. The one is not much more important than the other. It is just that there is a formalized process that I need to follow, and in time all that will be put forward.
Fa tshwaela malebana le morero o ka ga go sekegiwa ga advocate Bosisiwe Mkhwebane, Mopresidente a re tshwetso ya gagwe ga e amane ka gope le tshwetso ya kgotlatshekelo ya Western Cape.
Having gone through all those arguments, I then decided, because the process in Parliament had started in earnest, and as it is now, that the Constitution entitles me to suspend her. And all these processes were open, were public, and there was nothing underhand or hidden. And as regard the lawsuit that she had launched, I did ask for time frames. I said, give me a process of time frame. I did not know that a judgment would be coming out.
Gape Ramaphosa o buile ka sekoloto se se yang kwa godimo sa Eskom ka gore sekoloto sa setheo seno sa kabo ya motlakase se ile kwa godimo go diranta di le dibilione di le 450.